In this video, we're going to review how the EnOcean dimmer switches work when the scheduling function is enabled via gateway or in node. Enabling the scheduling function provides some dynamic features that can be customized to your specifications. Doing this changes the way the dimmer switches work. In order to use the gateway or in node scheduling, multi-scene profiles are required. The 4 scenes are triggered by short pressing the EnOcean switch. For the double rocker switch, this image illustrates how the EnOcean switch operates. Press 1 to trigger scene 1, press 2 to trigger scene 2, etc. To adjust the brightness or dimness, long press button 1 or 2. For the single rocker switch, the function is the same as the left rocker of the double rocker switch. Based on the features of the dimmer switch, we recommend naming scene 1 as operating or on, and scene 2 as off. We also recommend enabling automatic scene for scene 1, as well as disabling automatic scene and setting light level as 0 on scene 2. Please note scenes will remain active until another scene is manually selected or a scene is deployed via scheduling. Whenever switching to automatic scene, either by manually selecting or scheduling, fixtures will not turn on until it senses occupancy.